Welcome back, viewers. You're watching NewsX. Now, let's take the look at what's making the headlines at this point of time. In the first Mann Ki Baat address after the terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has vowed the harshest punishment for the perpetrators. Prime Minister Narendra Modi assured that the victims, stating that we will get justice. He has added that perpetrators and conspirators won't be spared. An intense raid by authorities aiming to dismantle the terrorist infrastructure has bombed the house of another suspected terrorist in Jammu and Kashmir, continuing its massive crackdown on terrorists days after the Pahalgam terror attack that killed 26 people. Houses of 8 terrorists have been razed by security forces in Jammu and Kashmir. The National Investigation Agency has officially taken over the probe into the Pahalgam terror attack. NIA teams stationed at the attack site in Baisra and Valley have intensified the efforts to gather the evidence and unravel the sequence of the events. India has announced a suspension of visa services for Pakistani nationals with immediate effect and revoked all the existing valid visas issued to them, except for long-term diplomatic and official visas. Visas of all other categories cease to be valid from today, while medical visas remain valid till 29th April. Pakistan continues to violate ceasefire with small arms firing in North Kashmir LOC. Unprovoked small firing was carried out by various Pakistan army posts all across the line of control in Kashmir. Indian troops have responded appropriately with small arms. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has hit out at Pakistani politician Bilawal Bhutto Zardari for his anti-India remarks. Sarma has stated that his words dishonors the sacrifice of his family and he has chosen a path that will bring him only disgrace. This comes after Bilawal Bhutto Zardari was seen speaking against India following its withdrawal from the Indus Water Treaty. Pakistan's Army Chief General Asim Munir once again invoked the two-nation theory, asserting that Muslims and Hindus are two distinct nations as Pahalgam tensions soared. His comments came just days after he called Kashmir Pakistan's jugular vein at a diaspora event.
मिसाइल हैं, ये जो क्रूज मिसाइल हैं, ये जो शाहीन है, गौरी है, ये मैं फिर दोहराने लगा हूं, ये हमारे चौकों में नहीं है, ये हमारे बिल्कुल आप इनका रुख आपकी तरफ है और किसी की तरफ नहीं है, तो इसलिए ये सोचना भी ना कि आप पाकिस्तान की हदूद को क्रॉस करोगे.
In an explosive escalation of tensions, Pakistan Minister Hanif Abbasi openly threatened India with nuclear retaliation, warning that Pakistan's arsenal, including Ghori, Shaheen and Ghaznavi missiles along with 130 nuclear warheads, has been kept only for India. Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian on Saturday has condemned the recent terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam and offered condolences to the victims' families during the telephonic conversation with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Both the leaders have reaffirmed their shared position that terrorists have no justification under any circumstances. FBI Director Kash Patel has condemned the recent terrorist attacks that took place on 22nd April, taking the lives of 26 innocent Indians, mostly in fact tourists. He has called the attack a stark reminder of the persistent global threat of terrorism.